KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it's been a rough day, but a relatively quiet finish, and still the risk of a shower or two overnight tonight and a few more tomorrow afternoon. But overall, the weather pattern getting much more sedate as we head into the weekend. And for once, no severe weather threat this weekend. And today's severe weather threat could have delivered a lot more in Louisiana, but it delivered a lot more elsewhere. We'll show you that in just a bit. First off, though, as we take a look at the water vapor imagery, here's a 24-hour loop, and you see the upper low that's guiding this system. It's all the way up here in the plains. This is going to be dropping southeastward through tomorrow. So as that moves through, some cold air aloft may allow for a little instability and allow for a shower or thunder shower late tomorrow afternoon. We're going to have to get through the dry slot that we see right here. And then there's another dry slot. And then this little spoke will be coming in tomorrow during the day. But fortunately, we had two big mesoconvective complexes, one in Louisiana and then one that developed offshore that helped rob some of the energy and take some of the sting out of the severe weather that we saw across the area. So that was certainly good news. Radar satellite composite with the lightning thrown in. You can see how the storms really got going across Louisiana. They were relatively weak when they were knocking on the door in eastern Texas. Not much severe weather was going on after about 10, 11 o'clock last night, and then the storms got cooking and then have pushed off to the east. Now, we still have a few showers, spotty showers on the radars this evening, mainly offshore out into the Gulf of Mexico, picking up on a little shower activity that's moving across the Gulf, and a few other spotty showers as we get into eastern portions of Acadia Parish. A few sprinkles by rain and another shower moving into western Lafayette Parish, and a light shower in around the Kaplan area and also by Forked Island. This activity moving southeastward, so we'll maintain a 10% chance of showers overnight tonight. Now, these are Doppler estimates, but we had a lot more rainfall than what we were forecasting. We were thinking about 1 to 2 in isolated spots, most getting less, but most of us wound up with about 1 to 3 inches of rain, in some spots 3 to 5 or more. Interestingly enough, just interrogating around Lafayette, 2.5 inches per the Dopplers, but we had 3 inches in the bucket out at here at KATC, and I had the same at my house on the south side of town. Officially out at the airport, 2.36 inches of rain, so certainly wet, and we had the flooding reports locally. Just a few sporadic wind reports that are not in the database quite yet, but look at what's going on as you get into Mississippi. Much more in the way of wind damage and tornadoes. Still the threat of severe weather off to the east going on this evening, with a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings going right now and a tornado and severe thunderstorm watch. But over the last 2 days, 408 storm reports, 16 tornadoes, 267 reports of wind damage, and 125 reports of hail. One report today of hail, and that was here in Louisiana. So again, you can see all the severe weather reports, and things really picked up as we were thinking into Mississippi and Alabama. So as we look at your predictive radar model, we'll start off tomorrow morning with fair to partly cloudy skies. Might see a brief shower here or there through lunchtime, but overall it should be quiet. Then with daytime heating and that cold air aloft, we might see 1 or 2 showers, mainly between about 2 and about 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. By 6 o'clock, things will be quieting down. Maybe a renegade shower or two as we go into eastern Louisiana for tomorrow night. Futurecast offering much the same through tomorrow afternoon. A quiet weather pattern, and it looks good going into Saturday and also for Easter Sunday, with lots of sunshine in the forecast and temperatures gradually warming up. But it's going to be cooling off tonight down into the low to mid 50s. Tomorrow will favor upper 60s to lower 70s. Tomorrow night, mid to upper 40s. Enjoy that, because we might not see that again for the rest of the spring and into the summer, then 70s for Saturday. So maybe a renegade shower. Your rain chance 10% tonight, 53 the low, 72 the high tomorrow. Few quick showers, but all in all, a nice day. Breezy northwest winds, though, nice and breezy, so that'll feel good. This weekend, spectacular with highs in the mid 70s Saturday, upper 70s for Easter Sunday. Monday looks to be nice, clouding up Tuesday, then a little bit more unsettled as we get into the Festival International time frame, but none of those days look like a washout at this point, and that is the good news.
That really is. Thank you, Rob.